In this video, we will discuss one of the primary components of the system. This is a mounting base that has the capability to house a power supply unit within it. Model in two sizes: smaller 205 mm dia, larger 260 mm dia. Height 50 mm for each of them. 60 mm in diameter, height 50 mm. What about each of them? What is this component and why is it needed? Since the system is low voltage, the question arises of where to place the power supply. And this detail allows us to hide the power supply inside it, connect the power to our belt, and output the belt in several ways. Here is the maximum possible configuration when the belt is displayed from the ends, and also the same belt is released in the form of a loop in the center of the display, showcasing its versatility and flexibility in both presentation and functionality. In order to produce belts from different sides, a set of end caps with and without slots is included with each base. If we release the belt, we install the cap with the slot. If we don't release it, we install a solid one for aesthetic purposes. The removable central part can also be solid if we don't need to release the belt from here, with either one or two slots, as in this case. Let's take a closer look at the construction of the base itself. This panel is attached with special magnets. Next, the lid is also attached with a magnet. We are taking it off. She is connected to the base with a special fixing cord. It is convenient when you mount it on the ceiling so that the cover does not accidentally fall off and get damaged. Below we have the internal structure of this part. Here we have a power supply unit that can be positioned underneath a specially designed cover. Moreover, there are quite a few places and power supplies can be installed with sufficient power up to 200 watts. With this component you can build a powerful system by assembling it. The power supply is not included in the package. Here he is with us for demonstration purposes, to provide a visual representation of its appearance, situated within the interior for easy access and convenience. And then we have a special terminal connector that clamps the belt and supplies power to it. And accordingly, the connection terminal is 220 and so on. Let's assemble in reverse order. Block installation here. Make sure to connect the low voltage output to our terminal. The clamp opens up and securely fastens the belt in place. We will take a closer look at this mechanism using another component as an example. He is not unique and is also found in addition to other basic components. Next, a plate is installed to securely fix the power supply unit in place and prevent it from accidentally falling out of position, ensuring stable and reliable operation of the device. Following that, the cover is then installed onto the magnets themselves, ensuring a secure and precise fit that provides optimal functionality and protection for the underlying components, and one of the choices that are available for a dummy. Therefore, this component enables us to conveniently install the Belty system in any location where there is a 220-volt electrical socket outlet. Power supply inside base, lights powered by it. Install lights using power supply placed inside the base. In this way, we can eliminate the necessity of placing the power supply in any specific location behind the ceiling within the electrical cabinet, and so on and so forth.